In quantum mechanics, the expectation value is the expected value of the result or measurement of an experiment. As there are often multiple possible measurement outcomes, the expectation value can be thought of as the average of all possible results weighted by their probabilities of occurring. Note, this is not the same thing as being the most probable outcome. If we have a quantum system psi, then the expectation value is equal to the following equation, where psi is a normalized state vector and A is an operator. If A has a complete set of eigenvectors and eigenvalues, then we can express the expectation value with the following equation, where the eigenvalues Aj are all the possible measurement outcomes of the experiment, and the square of their coefficient is the probability of that outcome happening. With Qiskit, you can calculate expectation values using an estimator primitive from a primitive-based backend service, such as IBM's Qiskit Runtime, or from Qiskit's built-in state vector simulator. Check out the links in the description for more details.